Give me a tea towel.
Oh.
It's a good job I went for a pee first.
Oh my god! Please be careful.
What are you going to do?
Just fetch it up.
You
How?
can't, it's going to peck you. You're going to have
Do you want a box or something?
right, isn't it now?
Go on.
It's
nearly went.
Is it flying?
Get a present, that's
Go on.
Give it inspiration, Laura. Sing it a song. Fly.
Can it walk up the ladders? Laura, get it to go up the ladders. I bet it can jump up the ladders. Oh my god. I saw you filming and I was like, tell me she's not down there already. Oh my god.
She's got balls.
She has got balls. Oh my god.
She got it. She got it. She's got it.
Oh my god, she's got it.
Oh my god, she is the greatest woman I've
I
ever
know.
met.
Laura, you've got massive balls.
Yay! Crow, you're free! Yay! I know, yeah, that's what we said. It's going to get knocked over as soon as we rescue it.
Oh my god, Laura, I can't believe you've just done that.
Raven, go!
Oh my god, you actual hero. Can you not get out? Oh my god.
Well, oh, it is walking in the middle of the road.
Alright, is it?
Yeah,
We sort of thought that might happen, didn't we?
yeah. Oh, hell, this car. Oh, watch the bird! There it is. They've got it, they've saved it, it's fine. Where's its mum? Come and get you. Come and get it.
Come on, get these lads. Go on, bloody bird.